Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection Windows 11 and Windows 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Restore Defaults. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type netsh winsock reset. Third method is uninstall any VPN software already installed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.